Okay, here's a fresh one that everyone's gonna like. We don't get too many pre-owned Pilots. They're definitely a hot commodity around here. This is a 2025 Honda Pilot Touring. Black in color, black interior. Only 17,000 miles on it. It was bought here new. Gentleman just traded it in, downsized a little bit, got a Honda CR-V. We know this car well. We serviced it. It's in great condition. Alloy wheels, big old panoramic moonroof, dual exhaust tips in the back here. Still has a sticker on there from when it was new to show you how to use the tailgate. Show you the other side here. Honda certified. We check it over front to back, top to bottom, side to side. 182 point inspection. We make sure the brakes, the tires, the fluids, the filters, everything is up to Honda specifications. And then we back it, or Honda backs it with this 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Good at any Honda dealership in the United States. Rest assured this is going to be just like a new car, if not even better, with the warranty. 2 sets of keys, all the books, Carfax history report, you name it, you're going to get it. This thing is in great shape. Going to go through the inspection, get it professionally detailed inside and out. Power seat, memory seating, heated seats. Let me show you the infotainment system here. Navigation, that'll load there. And then show you here the dash with the miles. It's got 17,755 miles. Again, Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. Check it out today. Thanks for checking it out, and come see us.